Children, now we will study about the subset, proper subset and super subset. Suppose we have a set A that are having the element 5, 6, 7 and another set B that are having the element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what do you observing by seeing these two sets? When we see the two sets, we find that the element of set A 5, 6, 7 are also in the set B. 5, 6, 7 are not only the element of set A but also of the set B. Then we will say that A is a subset of B. Is that clear? Now, proper subset. What is the proper subset? Suppose I am taking having the element A, B, C and B is having the A, B, C, D. So what do you observing? That all the elements of set A are also in B. Also in B, and at least one element is there in set B that are not in set A. So we will say that A is not only subset, it is a proper subset of B. Same is here, A is a proper subset of B. Understand? Now, superset. Whenever we say that A is a subset of B, then we will say that B is superset of A. So, these are the explanation about the subset, proper subset and superset. With the help of this explanation, you can identify the all three sets. Children, now we will study how to find out the number of subset. So suppose we have a set that are having the n element. So number of subset will be 2 to the power n and the number of proper subset will be 2 to the power n minus 1. So with the help of these two formulae, we can find the number of subset and number of proper subset. For example, we have a set A that are having the element A, B, C, that means 3 elements are there. Then subset will be 2 to the power 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 subset will have the set A. And the proper subset will be 2 to the power 3 minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, that is 7. So in that, with the help of this explanation, you can find the number of subset and the number of proper subset. Children, now we will study about the universal set. What is universal set? Suppose we have the set A that is having the element 5, 6, 7, 8, the set B that are having the element 1, 3, 5, 7, and the C having the element 4, 6, 8, 10. And we have the another set that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means all the element of set A, B and C are in universal set. So that is known as universal set, written at this symbol, or we can write U into this. So that is the universal set. Complement of set. Suppose we have the universal set that are having the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the set A that is having element 2, 3, 5. So complement of set A will be written as A dash, will be 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6 is what? We will find that element of the universal set that are not in the set A. So that are 1, 4, 6. So in that manner you can find the complement of set and you can find the universal set. With the help of this, you will do the sum of exercise 6C. Children, I am taking sum number 1 of the exercise 6C, in which a set is given, that is A equal to 5, 7. 2 elements are there and we have to find the subset of A. Subset of A are 5, a set, 7, null set, though no element, and the set itself 5, 7. So there are 4 subsets of the set A. Now taking question number 2, the word cooler, and we have to find the set of element, set of word of the word cooler, set of alphabet of the word cooler. So we have what are the alphabet of the cooler are COLER. O is coming two times here. We will take once only. As I already told you, whenever the word having the two alphabet of the same, so then we will take the ones. NC. What is the NC? Number of cardinal number of set C, that are 5. Number of subset, use the formula 2 to the power n, as the element of set C is 5, so 2 to the power 5, that is 32. Number of proper subset, that is 2 to the power 5 minus 1, now use the formula, that is 32 minus 1, that is 31. So in that manner you will do the sum number 1 and 2 of exercise 6C. Children, I am taking question number 5 for exercise 6C, in which universal set is given in the tabular form. Here is it. X such that x belong to n and x is lesser than 20. Thus universal set will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to 19 as the x is lesser than 20. So 20 will not consider, so we will take the up to 19. Now we have to find out the set A, that is x such that x equal to 3p and p belong to n, that is natural number. So we are taking 3 first, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 5, 3 into 6, 3 into 7. But whenever we take 3 into 7, what we get? We get 3 7, that 21, that are not in the universal set. So we will not consider as the element of set A, because that is not in the universal set. So set A will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I am taking one more part of this same sum, third part, that is C. The condition is that x is divisible by 4. So we will find the number that are divisible by 4 in the universal set, which are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. But 20 is not in the universal set. So we will not take the 20, we will take the 4, 8, 12, 16. So in that manner you will do the sum number 5. Children, I am taking question number 9, in which universal set is given, that is x belong to n and x is greater than equal than 10 and lesser than equal than 35. So here is the set 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and up to 35. Another set we have A, x such that x belong to natural number and x is lesser than 60. So what is the set A? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 are the element of set A. Another set we have B such that x is greater than 29. So the set B will be 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Not more than 35, because the universal set having the element up to 35. So we will have the element up to 35. We have to find the complement of A, complement of B. So here the complement of A will be the element that are present in universal set but not in set A. So leave this up to 16 element from the universal set, and after that 16 the all element will be the element of complement of A. So that will be the 17, 18, 19 and up to 35, written as x belong to natural number and x is lesser than greater than equal than 17 and lesser than equal than 35. So in that manner you can write the complement of A. Complement of B is the element that are present in universal set but not in the set B. So that are the element of B are 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Just leave this element from the universal set, we will get the complement of B. So we have the 10, 11, 12 and up to 29, because 30 is in set B, so 30 will not consider, and after that all the elements that are in B. So we will not take this. So 10, 11, 12 up to 29, the complement of that are the element of complement B. Written as x belong to n and x is greater than equal than 10 and lesser than equal than 29. So in that manner you can do the sum number 9. Children, I am taking question number 11, in which the set M is given letter of the word REAL. So here is the word in the roster form. And another set we have N, letter of the word LARE. So here the in the set N, the roster form is LARE. Now we have to give the three parts of the these questions regarding the set M and N. Is M is subset of N? Yes, M is a subset of N because all the elements that are in M also the element of set N. N is subset of M? Yes, all the elements of N are in the set M, therefore N is a subset of M. Third, M is equal to N? Yes, M is equal to N because all the elements of set A and all the elements of set N are the same. So we will say the M is equal to the N. In the book there is written C, so please correct it. So in that manner you will do the sum number 11.